Today's video is about managing the account recovery email validity period in the Okta admin console. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Security tab and then click on Authentication. Now, you'll see a list of password policies. Choose the one you want to update. Let's say we pick the default password policy for this example. Next, click on the Edit button to make changes. This will open up a policy pop-up window. Here, find the Account Recovery section. You'll see a drop-down menu that lets you adjust the lifespan of the reset or unlock recovery email. Select the time frame that fits your needs. Once you're happy with the changes, hit Update Policy to save them. And that's it. You've successfully updated the recovery email validity period. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.